Question 9 asks us to define our variables and write a system of linear inequalities that represents the following problem situation. So, step 1, we read the problem. A new business is hiring managers and employees. The company needs at least 20 managers and no more than 500 employees, and we need a total of at least 400 people that must be hired. So, as an extra hint, there's going to be 3 linear inequalities in this system. So, after we've read and annotated the problem, we need to define our variables. Define our variables. So we're going to say let x represent the number of managers. We'll say x represents the number of managers. Okay, then I want y to represent the number of employees. Okay, so I need to write 3 inequalities. So let's look at the first piece of information. The company needs at least 20 managers. So we need 20 or more. So that means I want x to be greater than or equal to 20. Okay. Then I want no more than 500 employees, which means I want 500 or less. So I want y to be less than or equal to 500. And so some number less than or equal to 500. But I have to have a total of at least 400 people. That means 400 or more, and that's including managers and employees. So I say the number of managers, x, plus the number of employees, y, has to be greater than or equal to 400. Okay, so that would be the system. Those are the 3 inequalities that comprise that system. And last but not least, after we've written all of these inequalities, we put this funny looking symbol here, which is called a brace, and that indicates that all of these 3 are together in a system.